Hey everyone, today we will be starting with JavaScript 30-day challenge. So in this article there is a first day of problem, that is topic is closure, and we will be going into problem. So create hello world function. So this is the first problem we will be encountering. Write a function, create hello world. It should return a new function that allows to returns hello world. Let's see example. If there are empty arguments, output will be hello world, and the function call will be const f is equal to create hello world, and we will be calling f and it will be returning hello world. Okay. If there are multiple arguments, then also output will be hello world. Now first thing that we need to go through is what is closure. So closure is something that we have an access of all the variables and functions in that lexical scope. Okay, so now here from here, if we give a call to a create hello function, hello world, so this function will be executing. This function will be over here. Okay, and in that you will be calling f. So this, and you will be calling f. So there is no function name over here, so directly it will be calling this. So each time we return we will be getting a hello world as a return value. So return string hello world. Okay, whether there are multiple argument or a single argument or a no argument, the return will be this. Both are accepted. Submitting it. So yes, this is been submitted and accepted also.